like pearls. Guess I'm a typical girl.
Hey my loves, so I'm beginning by allowing water to run through my hair to take out all of the old product that I had in my hair, and I'm just letting the water run. Now I'm going in with my conditioner by Main Choice, and I'm just distributing this product evenly throughout my hair and rubbing it in so that my hair can be moisturized. Going in with a little bit more now, and I'm placing this at the back of my hair. Now I'm going to take my wide teeth comb and I'm going to clear up my hair as I allow the products to be evenly distributed throughout my very thick hair. Now I'm gonna allow cool water to run through my hair to rinse out the conditioner that I placed in it. I'm just letting the water run as I smooth out my hair to allow the conditioner to drain. I'm going in with another conditioner by Design Essentials, and I'm going to apply this throughout my hair as I did with the Main Choice. Moisturization is key, ladies. Now I'm allowing the water to run through my hair, and I'm using my comb now to separate my hair so that all of the product is out and not left in. I'm gonna go back in now with a little bit more of my Main Choice conditioner, and I'm gonna distribute this again throughout just for extra moisturization. And like before, rinse out.
S-Pling on the track.
Hey girls, I am back with my flat twist and we are ready to take down. Now first, I'm gonna go in with my main choice oil. I am so sorry that you cannot see it clear in my camera. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna apply this to the tips of my hands as I take down one flat twist at a time. Now being very careful as I untwist the hair. I am going to continue to untwist and separate the hair to make it look a little bit more bigger and fuller. Now I am using my white teeth comb just to stretch the curls a little bit, but not to comb it out. Now I'm going to use my spray bottle to spray at the very front of my hair. Watch out for that makeup, girl. Now I'm gonna go in with my empty bottle of Eco Styler gel. Yes, I know. I am going to take a little bit now and apply this at the very front of my hair to slick down my edges and to give it more a defined look.
On the track.
Now I'm going to take my brush just to smooth out my edges and to smooth out the gel that I applied, while I create now a little bit of a swoop. More of my Eco Styler to ensure that those edges are laid, hunty. And there you have it, my flat twist on a tapered cut. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.